Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock sugar at home. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. Make sure your saucepan is perfectly clean, as any impurities can hinder crystal formation. Also, prepare your chosen crystal growth medium, such as wooden skewers or a piece of string, which will serve as a nucleation point for your beautiful sugar crystals. Next, combine your 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water in a clean saucepan. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring continuously. It is crucial to stir until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved into the water, forming a clear syrup. Once dissolved, bring the solution to a gentle boil for approximately 1 minute, then remove it from the heat. Now, carefully pour the hot sugar solution into a clean, heat-safe glass jar. This jar will be the home for your growing rock sugar. Next, suspend your chosen skewer or string into the solution. Ensure it hangs freely without touching the bottom or sides of the jar. Finally, cover the jar loosely with a lid or plastic wrap to keep dust out while allowing some air circulation. Patience is key for this final stage. Allow your jar to sit undisturbed in a cool, dark place for 1 to 2 weeks. Over this time, you will observe beautiful sugar crystals forming and growing on your suspended skewer or string. Once the crystals have reached your desired size, carefully remove them from the solution. Let your homemade rock sugar dry completely on parchment paper before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.